science experiments. Today, we are in the deepest forest of Dinosaur Island, and today we're going to be making a fossil. And I have my special prehistoric friend here, Dizzy Tyrannosaurus! Rawr! Okay, this is what you'll be needing. A toy dinosaur, plastic or non-plastic, whatever kind you want. Some modeling clay, some Plaster-of-Paris, a container to mix it in, a stir stick, a plastic knife or a dull knife, water, a glove, a mask that you don't breathe in the fumes, and a paintbrush and coffee, but we won't need that until later. And here we have some friends that will be watching us. Woohoo! Let's get into the exploring video. Dun, dun, dun! Hello! And now we have already rolled out our clay, and now we are going to be putting our little dinosaur in here. Yes, all the way down. Press them in there. Get spines. Dizzy. Dizzy. Press. Try to get his head and his tail. Let's get those spines. Oh. Okay, there we go. And now we will be taking these and kind of pushing it in, trying to make it like a bowl shape.
I'm going to stop it for a second.
And now, easy stay. So we are just going to be kind of cutting it, not all the way through, but just a little bit. And now taking this up, pick it up. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to pour some water in here. We are going to get the plaster, pour it in here. Okay, now we're ready for the surgery. Glove on, or glove. To stir it up. Now you want to be the thickness of pancake batter. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pour it in our mold. Take our mold here. I'm going to pour it in. Stick. Kind of move it all over. Try to make it as even as you can. And now we're good. So now we're going to let set up. It'll probably take about a day. Oh no, there's a Tyrannosaurus Rex! Whew. I'm glad that guy's gone. See you when it's ready. Bye! Okay, and we're back. Now, Daisy, I have my assistant Daisy here. She just got a new hat. So hello. Hello! And we have our mold. It's been sitting here for about a day. And as you can see, this is coming off. So let's peel it. Daisy. So, we have some cold coffee here, and you can use this for whatever you want now. We have some cold instant coffee, and now we're just gonna brush it on. Here. More. So, what you need is, we want to look aged. So, Daisy, no. So what we're doing, Daisy, no, is we're just brushing it on and then dabbing it off. Let's do another coat. So we'll just brush it on. Daisy, you're not having any coffee. You're not having any old and we're already wanting coffee. Now we'll just soak it all up. Daisy. And okay. About 1 or 2 more coats and it'll look good. Oh, here is our dinosaur fossil that we have, and you can make it at home, and it looks really cool. Oh, there's the dinosaur that I was looking for. Sorry, bye! Thank you for watching, and subscribe to our channel and Daisy channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye!